नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चैनल चारू चौधरी में। दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ, अगर आपको ऐसे लिखने को मिला है कोविड-19 पर, तो आप इजी ऐसे कैसे लिख सकते हैं। बिल्कुल एकदम सिंपल लाइन्स यहाँ पे मेरे द्वारा बताई जाएंगी। अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। आइए दोस्तों, हमारा टॉपिक है इजी ऐसे ऑन कोविड-19। तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहली चीज जो हमने दी है वो है कोविड-19 है क्या। व्हाट इज कोविड-19? कोविड-19 is the disease caused by a new coronavirus called SARS-CoV-2, SARS-CoV-2, who first learned of this new virus on 31st December 2019. Following a report of a cluster of cases of viral pneumonia in Wuhan, People's Republic of China. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, fatigue. People of all ages who experience fever and or cough associated with difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure or loss of speech or movement should seek medical care immediately. If possible, call your healthcare provider, hotline or health facility first so you can be directed to the right clinic. What happens to people who get COVID-19? Among those who develop symptoms, most about 80% recover from the disease without needing hospital treatment. About 15% become seriously ill and require oxygen, and 5% become critically ill and need intensive care. Complications leading to death may include respiratory failure, acute respiratory distress syndrome, sepsis and septic shock, thromboembolism and or multi-organ failure, including injury of the heart, liver or kidneys. In rare situations, children can develop a severe inflammatory syndrome a few weeks after infection. Who is most at risk of severe illness from COVID-19? People aged 60 years and over, and those with underlying medical problems like high blood pressure, heart and lung problems, diabetes, obesity, or cancer are at higher risk of developing serious illness. However, anyone can get sick with COVID-19 and become seriously ill or die at any age. Are there long-term effects of COVID-19? Some people who have had COVID-19, whether they have needed hospitalization or not, continue to experience symptoms including fatigue, respiratory, and neurological symptoms. WHO is working with our global technical network for clinical management of COVID-19. Researchers and patient groups around the world to design and carry out studies of patients beyond an initial acute course of illness to understand the proportion of patients who have long-term effects, how long they persist, and why they occur. These studies will be used to develop further guidance for patient care. How can we protect others and ourselves if we don't know who is infected? Stay safe by taking some simple precautions such as physical distancing, wearing a mask, especially when distancing cannot be maintained, keeping rooms well ventilated, avoiding crowds and close contact, regularly cleaning your hands, and coughing into a bent elbow or tissue. Check local advice where you live and work. Do it all. When should I get a test for COVID 19? Anyone with symptoms should be tested wherever possible. People who do not have symptoms but have had close contact with someone who is or may be infected may also consider testing. Contact your local health guidelines and follow their guidance. While a person is waiting for test results, they should remain isolated from others. Where testing capacity is limited, tests should first be done for those at higher risk of infection, such as health workers, and those at higher risk of severe illness, such as older people, especially those living in seniors' residences or long term care facilities. How long does it take to develop symptoms? The time from exposure to COVID-19 to the moment when symptoms begins is on average 5-6 days and can range from 1 to 14 days. This is why people who have been exposed to the virus are advised to remain at home and stay away from others for 14 days. In order to prevent the spread of the virus, especially where testing is not easily available. तो दोस्तों ये था हमारा ऐसे कोविड-19 पर। उम्मीद करती हूँ ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है, आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है, तो आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।